my god, see the way I'm sweating, all my hair like in my face, all because I was looking for my blow dryer. Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my lace frontal wig. So right now I'm looking like a granny with this scarf on my head, but it's all good. In a jiffy I'm gonna be looking all snatched, honey. So if you guys want to see how I look all snatched with my lace frontal wig, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Now let's stop talking and get right into this video. So right now all I'm going to do is remove this. It's actually very difficult getting my skin tone wig cap because of quarantine, so I have to make do with what I have, which is black. But if you guys find your color, your tone, please get that instead. It's way better than black. Today we're going to be using this frontal wig from Yoma's hairline. You guys should check her out. She has amazing hair. This is what the package looks like. Before I get into this video, it's very important to always package your hair inside a weave or wig bag. It just prevents dust from getting into your hair, and your hair is expensive, girl, so you got to take care of it, okay? So this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so it's time for me to get all glammed up. So what I'm gonna do right now is wear my wig and make sure it sits properly. So I'm gonna pull it forward a bit. That's perfect. Then I'm gonna use my tail comb to, like, you know, comb the edges so that I don't get like strands of hair mixed up when I'm laying my frontals. If you have like tweezers, you could use it. So right now I'm gonna go in with my IKT Wax Stick. It's very good when it comes to laying down your edges, okay? For all those spiky hairs that comes out, this is very good for it. So you just rub a little bit here and there and you're good to go. And right now I'm gonna use my got2b glue, just a little bit, and put it where I have like my baby hair. Make sure that you get it everywhere. So right now I'm gonna pack my hair with a band. Oh my god, guys, I always joke with everything. So we're gonna use our blow dryer. You're gonna just blow dry it for like 1 to 2 minutes until it feels sticky when you touch it. And after that I'm gonna bring the wig forward and lay it down. You gotta press it down when you're doing this, guys, to make sure that it sticks. So what we're gonna do right now is use the granny scarf to like make sure that it's pressed down properly. All the angles, all the sides, all the baby hairs, they're all pressed, okay? So you're gonna leave this for like 20 to 30 minutes thereabouts, but in the meantime you can check her messages or take some hot pictures. Nah, I don't think you should take pictures looking like this. You can reply your messages or whatever you want to do, but to save time I'm just going to straighten my hair. So I'm gonna go in with the Optimum Saloon hair care 6-in-1 miracle oil to protect my hair from heat. It's very lightweight and very good. So right now I'm gonna go in with my hair straightener. Cause you know I want my hair looking all snatched. I want it looking really nice, like I really went to the salon. So straighten every part of it. Alright, time's up. So what we're gonna do right now is remove our granny scarf. and it's looking already late, but we're not even done. So what we're going to do right now is use our tail comb to like get some lines in there. We're doing side pattern, so we're just going to get some lines in there. You can notice that it's not blending yet, but we'll get there. So we're going to use our wax stick to make sure it's still properly laid. Okay, then after that, use the comb again to like comb it through. So after this, we're going to go in with our beautiful texture called the finer mousse. It's a styling mousse, so this is going to make our wig slip down properly, okay, and it also helps to like moisturize it. So after that, we're going to go in with our foundation and our tail comb, okay, to give this, you know, natural look. So after that, we'll use our brush and just dab it here and there, and that's it. So right now we're going to just straighten the tip, bob it a bit. This is the final look, guys. We're serving faces, we're serving natural looking frontal wig. Alright guys, this is quite easy. If you guys like what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.